When it comes to budget travel, preparation and research are key. Start by setting a realistic budget and sticking to it throughout your trip. Look for affordable accommodation options such as hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals. Be flexible with your travel dates to take advantage of lower prices. Consider traveling during the off-peak season to avoid crowds and high prices. Save money on food by eating at local markets or street vendors. Take advantage of public transportation or walk to explore your destination. Look for free or low-cost activities such as hiking, visiting parks, or exploring museums. Lastly, remember to pack light and only bring the essentials to avoid extra baggage fees. With careful planning and smart choices, you can enjoy a budget-friendly travel experience.